In this video, you'll learn how to change your GoDaddy account email. We'll go through it slowly and clearly so you know exactly where to click, what to look for, and what to expect along the way. By the end, you'll be confident updating your email address whenever you need to. First, make sure you're signed into your GoDaddy account in your web browser. Start on the main GoDaddy homepage or your account dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see either your account name or a small circle with your initials or an avatar icon. This is your account menu, and it's where you'll find your profile settings. Click on your account name or initials to open the drop-down menu. In this menu, you're looking for the option labeled My Profile. Sometimes this might be grouped under Account Settings, and then you'll see My Profile as a secondary option. So if you don't see My Profile right away, click Account Settings first, then choose My Profile from there. This page is the main place where you manage your personal details, including your email address. Once you're on the My Profile page, give it a moment to load fully. You'll see different sections for things like your contact information and login details. What you want to find is the email section. This will usually be clearly labeled and may show the email address currently associated with your account. Scroll down the page if you don't see it right away. On some layouts, you might need to move past other profile info before you reach the email section. Take your time here and make sure you're looking at the correct email field, especially if GoDaddy is showing you both a login email and possibly a separate contact or notification email. When you find the email section, you should see an option to edit or change it. Click on that edit option to activate the field. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use for your GoDaddy account. Double check for any typos because this email is important for password resets, security alerts, and account notifications. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button, usually near the field or at the bottom of the section. Click Save to confirm the change. In many cases, GoDaddy will send a verification message to your new email address. Be sure to open your email inbox, find the message from GoDaddy, and follow any confirmation link they provide so the change is fully completed. That's it. You've updated your GoDaddy account email by going to your profile, finding the email section, and editing it with your new address. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the My Profile page and review the email field to make sure your new address is saved correctly.